Ooh, I love the picture. 1,350, and I can see the couch. What am I gonna find next? Like used condoms next to the bed or what? Welcome to another episode of this crazy London rentals. I have something for us today as well, which is studio apartments. Well, it's just really cool to see studio apartments because it's horrible and it's super small and it's so funny. So I'm here to make your day and have a little laugh. Make sure to subscribe and leave the hilarious comment because the comment section is equally entertaining as this video. Are you looking for a studio apartment in London? Well, then you're screwed, pretty much, unless you're rich. But if you're rich, why would you live in a dump, is my question. Anybody knows the answer, you can comment below because I have no idea. I filtered studio apartments. This is what I get. 2,193, 2,200. It's the rent for studio apartment. I wonder why you have the TV above your above your head. Okay, fine. Is this the carpet or is the floor? Oh, who knows? But look at this. So another angle, right? And you have this tiny kitchen. I'm always getting speechless because this is not a kitchen. I'm sorry. This right here is not a kitchen. Whatever that is, it has nothing to do with the kitchen. £2,200, yeah. There's no stove. You cannot even cook here. This is it. Why would It's good it's not high definition resolution because it would be ugly. What's this? Ooh. It's like you see like a black thing in the corners of the toilet. 2,200. No, not ever, not now. It looks really nice. All these buildings just look fabulous. They are all in the Hollywood films and Bridget Jones and all that stuff. It's fake. It's all fake. It's fake advertising. It's fake news. And look at it, who owns it? Of course. I solved the mystery. Is it like 30 or 40% of London is owned by Chinese and India? In China and India and America? And is it France or something? And of course, Saudi Arabia owns like 50%, but still. Excellent studio flat. It looks more like a room from this angle, but let me see. Okay, fine. £800, you can say, it's £800, it's cheap. Okay, so you're going to live in a room where is this washing machine, what kind of doors this is? Frankenstein. Oh my God. This is not a kitchen. So you have the fridge, washing machine. Where are you gonna hang these clothes? Weird, shady toilet. So this is a room turned into a studio apartment. £800. You can say, Nicole, you always complain. It's great. Yeah, it's like 150 kilometers from London. Palmer's Green, I haven't even heard of that station. Like, how far is it from London, seriously? Camberwell Road, I was in Camberwell. So your bed is right next to your kitchen. That has to be healthy. Of course, the fridge is super small. Why would anyone bother to cook? Can you even open these windows? Right, you cook right next to your bed. Then you have some... This has been stolen from a bar across the street, like 100%. It's like, let's go for a beer and then grab one chair, you grab the other one. Let's go. And Camberwell, if I'm not mistaken, is like so far away from London city. Ooh, what is this? These windows opening. Okay, never mind. Wow, nice view. And the window. I like how the sink is like so small when you see those kitchens. If you have a stove, first of all, and you cook like a big soup, like how you even wash? Where do you wash it? In the shower? Oh, you have a stove, yes. And a huge fridge, of course. Wow, the couch in the corner of the room. So you can sit being surrounded by, there's a wall, behind there's a wall. And you can just sit there, like what? I like how the bed just fits the space. This is not claustrophobic at all. So you're sleeping and you have like, there's a wall, there's a wall, there's a wall. You're like, oh my God, am I in the crematorium? Am I here already? Is this it? This is the pictures, yeah? So I don't see anything. I have no idea what's going on. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom studio flat in great location, which is close to Tottenham. I like how this is like, you know, super tiny window, super tiny fridge, something called, looks like a stove, super tiny, super wide lens just to make it look bigger. You will turn anything into a flat and just rent it out, honestly. Wow, because I really want to see that light. I don't want to see the toilet and how it looks like and the floor. I want to see the light. So you take a picture like this, you know, point it to the light. I don't want to see anything else, right? But just the light is important. Are you trying to cover up that your floors are disgusting, or why you're taking pictures like that? And again, you're going to say, oh my God, £900. Don't be sold on a price. I got some comments, you know, when people telling me like, oh yeah, I pay cheap rent, but I'm afraid to walk on the street. It's a studio flat, but the bathroom and bedroom are separate. And this is actually looks kind of big. Ooh, a little old. What's this? What am I going to find next? Like used condoms next to the bed or what? Do you hide the corpse in here or what? Belgravia. Oh, if you're posh, you know, you're so posh, you know, with your fake Louis Vuitton, and then you go and live in this dump. But I live in Belgravia, you know, I'm so posh, like Victoria Beckham. I know for a fact that these are part of the hotel. I see more of these, so I guess it's like, it's really like they cannot get tourists to book those anymore. I don't know if it's because of Airbnb or whatever, so they rent them out, because these are literally like, these are hotel rooms, and I have stayed in some of them, so I know that this is just, these kind of buildings, this is like just hotel. I love the picture. 1,350. And I can see the couch, part of the couch, portion of the couch. This is you selling me. And now I can see a great picture cut out. The mattress looks cool, actually. Yay! We have amazing, and you have like a, it's very, you fit the tiny fridge into under the table beautifully. And you can eat here, right? Apart from the fact that everybody's saying, see you. Wow, this is it. Totally selling it for 1,350. You're totally selling this to me, honestly. Those pictures are so convincing. I'm calling right away. Oh, this is classy. Just as classy as Robbie Williams played by Monkey. I'm sorry, it's VFX, of course. I'm no interior designer, but red color evokes either brothel or like run flight mode. You see, like I'm already in the flight mode seeing this. 42 pages of this rubbish. Can you like believe this? I don't know. I really don't know if this just seems small or is it like for real super tiny. Amazing radiator. You're definitely not going to be cold at all. Which house? Ooh, because the sun. Well, it's important to capture one day in a year where the sun shines in here. Excuse me? So the fridge is just thrown in here, like in the corner. 850. Is this a studio or what is this? Excellent studio flat. More like a basement, but it's just my humble opinion. You literally, let me see the window, if there is any. Actually, when I was 20, I used to live in something like this. It was probably the double of the size of this. It was separate kitchen, separate bedroom. It wasn't like huge, but it was, I also had dining table. So I did live, you know, humbly like that. But I was 20 and it cost me like £200. Not in London, obviously, but it's the principle. Comparing to how much you earn and so on. So the rent is low, but who's gonna come to live here? Students, maybe. Students who somebody pays rent for them. Like, I don't understand.